Hey, it's Kendall Hartel, Raleigh, North Carolina eXp real estate agent, coming to you today to talk about how you can stage your house to sell it quickly. Nobody wants their house sitting on the market for a long period of time. And in order to do that, you really want to make sure that it's staged properly and you have professional photos done. The first thing you want to do is declutter and depersonalize. Remove any personal items and excessive clutter to allow potential buyers to envision themselves living in your space. And I can't tell you, I know this seems very overwhelming sometimes. Get some friends, come help you clean it up, get it ready to go. The second thing you need to do is deep clean. Clean every nook and cranny and corner of your house. Pay attention to detail like windows and baseboards. These things are going to make all the difference when people come in and view your house, and they're going to want to make sure that they want to live in this space and that it's been taken care of. Number 3, maximize your curb appeal. First impressions matter. Spruce up the exterior by cleaning the yard, adding fresh plants and flowers, and making any necessary repairs to the exterior of the home. A lot of times I'll have my sellers actually power wash the driveway in the front of the house or the deck. In addition, I have them put a brand new welcome mat out or even a beautiful wreath. Number 4, neutralize your paint colors. This can seem overwhelming to some, but it's a very inexpensive way to make your house visually appealing to buyers coming in because they're going to be able to visualize themselves living in that space if it's neutral. And it also gives you a good backdrop for staging. Number 5, stage each room for its purpose. So highlight the function of each room by staging it with furniture and accessories that showcase its intended purpose. If you've got an office in your listing, well, make sure that that room has a desk and a chair. And obviously, if you've got a movie room, make sure you've got a projector and you've got a big screen and some big chairs. Make it comfy. But this is really important because the function of the house, the function of the space, and the way that you stage it gives somebody the ability to see themselves using that space for that purpose. Number 6, big one, let in natural light. Open up the curtains, open up the blinds, let as much natural light in as possible. Another reason why you need to have it clean though. So it's going to be more inviting and spacious to potential buyers when they have a lot of light. Sometimes I've even had sellers change all the light bulbs in their house to be consistent and to make it look beautiful. Number 7, you want to create visual appeal when doing your staging. So using pieces of artwork and throw pillows and plants to create an appealing ambiance for each room. Keep it simple and tasteful, avoid clutter and overly personalizing your items, but definitely using the little fake plants. I can't tell you how much I think that makes a difference. Remember, home staging is about creating a welcoming and neutral environment that appeals to a broad range of potential buyers. And that's what we want after all, right? A broad range of buyers. We don't want just one group of people coming in. We want the masses coming in. And remember, the photos are very important. Having professional photos taken is so important. And honestly, the staging, the preparing the house, and the photos is a very low expense. If you have big repairs that need to be done, for example, you need to replace some carpet, you want to have it professionally painted on the inside or outside, there are companies out there that will do the work for you up front and you pay them at closing. Curbio is one of those companies. eXp, the company that I'm with, does partner with them. I've had clients use them in the past, and they definitely have made more money by doing those projects up front before we went active. Because honestly, when you think about it, somebody, when they walk into a home, if they see a lot of work that needs to be done, it may deter them from buying your home. So I hope you've enjoyed these tips. I hope they help you stage your home and get it sold quickly.